In this video, we're given x to the ninth plus y to the fourth plus z to the fifth equals 9x by z. We're going to find capital F of x, y, z as x to the ninth plus y to the fourth plus z to the fifth minus 9x, y, z. So we're just subtracting both sides by 9x, y, z. And so because now f is equal to 0, we can use a formula to find the partial z with respect to x and the partial z with respect to y. So that leads to finding the partial of f with respect to x, y, and z. So let's first find the partial of f with respect to x. That's just going to be 9x to the 8th minus 9yz. Now we can factor out a 9 from both terms and have 8x to the 8th minus y to the z. We find the partial of f with respect to y. That's just going to be 4y cubed minus 9xz. And partial f with respect to z turns into 5z to the fourth minus 9xy. And so now we can find the partial of z with respect to x by dividing partial of f with respect to x with partial of f with respect to z, and then taking a negative of that. And so we get negative 9 quantity x to the 8th minus y to the z, all over 5z to the fourth minus 9xy. And then the partial of z with respect to y is just negative partial of f with respect to y over partial of f with respect to z. That's going to be negative, and then 4y cubed minus 9xz over 5z to the fourth minus 9xy. And so that's going to be the final answer.